What's up, guys? You all know what this is, John de Haiti. Today I'm gonna speak Creole and English. Je vais parler Creole avec anglais. Alright, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to combine back handspring and the backflip. Alright, je dis à ma outre nous qui j'ai pour nous faire yon magarin et puis yon periye pado. Like I taught you before, how to do a back handspring, and also I taught you how to do a backflip. Alright, today we're gonna put them together. That's what I said. I'm gonna show you how to combine them. Alright, you can go again to see how I did my back handspring and also how I did my backflip. Nou kal nan video avant yo, nou gade ki jan ke mte mouté nou fe magarin nan et puis periye pado. Alright, you guys, you need to use your hips. Alright, 100%. Alright, so firstly I'm gonna do the back handspring. Alright, premièrement je vais faire magarin nan pou nou. Alright, I'm gonna do the back handspring now. All you have to use your hips and also all you have to jump to do it. Let's go. Jan nou ke m fè la, c'est comme ça que pour nous faire pour nous utiliser senti nou. Like you see, I do it now. This is all you all have to do it. Alright, I'm gonna do it the second time. You'll see it, alright? Noel. Konya ke mou va fè periye pado. Now I'm gonna do the backflip for you. You'll see it. Ça c'est periye pado. I'm gonna do it the second time. Alright. Now to combine them together is that easy. Alright. I'm gonna do the back handspring and I'm just gonna jump, but I'm not gonna do the backflip yet. Alright. Je vais faire magarin nan, ma monter, même pour faire periye pado. Just for y'all to see how I'm gonna do it. Juste pour nous voir qui j'ai qui va faire. You'll see it, alright? After the back handspring, I just jump, but not the backflip yet. Après magarin nan, moi juste monter. Now, there's so many times you can do the backflip. You can hold your legs, your feet, or whatever. Look at the jump nou, pied nou, or you can do it simple. Alright? You can just do it simple, alright? You can just feel simple. But I'm gonna do it like I used to do it, and you'll decide what you want to do, alright? This is the simple one. Alright, so I say simple. Now I'm gonna hold my feet. You'll see it, right? So simple. Noël, literally simple. So learn how to do the back handspring first. After, learn how to do the backflip, and after, you're gonna combine them. Alright, keep practice. Alright, keep your practicing. Do good things in your life. Alright, so continue pratiquer, continue faire mouvement yo. Alright, make sure you all subscribe, share my videos, make sure que nous abonnez à la chaîne là et puis nous share vidéo. So next time I will come for another things. Alright, and now I'm gonna put it in the slow motion. Kunya I'm gonna make it in slow motion pour une video. Alright, see you all soon. John de Haiti. Pew.